Good Sunday morning, everyone. We got my old 68 in here in the shop today. It's early Sunday morning. Me and Drake's going to do something a little different. We pushed our projects out of the shop, got the rack cleared. We're going to pull this in here and put a transmission in it. He's got a 93 Lightning transmission with a stall converter. He pulled it out of his Lightning to do a Coyote swap. So we're going to put it in this one. This truck with these aluminum heads and that comp cam, it gives it a little pull when it's sitting there on the brakes. Wants to kind of lunge, so we're hoping that stall converter will take that out of it. So we're fixing to pull it up on the rack. This is my little 68 F100. Done a Crown Vic swap on. You might have seen it in the other videos. Got the Explorer rear end. It's got the 95 Lightning engine. Fuel injection, everything's hooked up. The transmission, it sat out in the weather for a while and it didn't look good when we pulled the fluid out of it. It's still pulling, but since we got this other transmission with the stall converter, and like I said, this thing needs a stall, we're going to get it up on the lift, see if we can't get this one out and the other one in. Alright, we got the transmissions out. Getting the other one ready to go back in. Just kind of show you how massive these transmissions are. Right here's the old one. It's a whole lot of transmission. Great, getting the other one ready to go back in. There's a little fin on there you have to grind out so it'll clear the cab. So we'll get it ground down, get the mount changed, cleaned up a little bit, put it in. Alright, we got her back up in place. Try and get the exhaust back on, cross member in it. Starter, drive shaft, torque converter bolts. Be ready to crank her up. Alright, we got the transmission in it. We got it down on the ground. Got the back wheels jacked up. We're going to crank it up. Let it run in reverse for a little while. Let it circulate that fluid good. Then we'll see how she does. Well, it takes reverse good. Let it get warmed up here. Check the fluid in it. See how it goes through the gears up on the jack, and then we'll go from there. Alright, let's see if she go backwards. Well, okay guys, it's been raining on us. Batteries went bad or something. I got a new battery coming for it, so we ain't gonna get to test drive it to see how it does down the road, but it will back out of the shop and it will take gear and it will shift on the jack stands. So maybe another video we'll get it driving down the road, see how it does, how it handles and everything, and go from there. But that's it for this week. Y'all check back.